What's going on, Heads Up fans? It's Mike again. We're back with the Rookie Explosion Box. This is version 13, which means that for 13 months, my friend Filmington has been going strong, producing one of the best baseball repack products in the game. If you haven't checked out Filmington yet, what are you waiting for? You gotta check it out. All right, if you're watching this, you probably have seen it before. If you're not familiar, you're in for a treat. Filmington puts together the best variety of cards that are going to be looking for key rookies from across the years. And it's a new batch pretty much every year. I'm super excited, so let's stop talking about it and let's see what we got. All right, we're going to get into this, baby. Two variable packs to start us off. And of course, gotta drop the camera because it's Heads Up Sports Cards. Rookie Explosion Box. Boom. Here are all the packs that are going to be featured this month. We got a pack of 1985 Topps, 1993 Score, 2010 Topps Chrome, 2015 Topps Update, 2017 Bowman, 2017 Series 1, 2017 Update, 2018 Heritage High Number, 18 Topps Update, 19 Topps Chrome, 19 Topps Heritage Minor League, and Topps 19 Series 2. If you follow my channel, you can tell why I like this product so much. Lots of Topps. All right, there's Filmington's information. If you're lucky enough to get on the mailing list, do it. It's totally worth it. We're going to check out the packs, talk about the key rookies in each pack, and then we're going to rip it open. All right. One bottom. One in the bottom. All right, we're going to put the peanuts away. Shut the box. And talk about the cards. All right, we got 85 Topps. We're looking for McGuire, Clemens, Kirby Puckett, and Doc Gooden. 93 Score. We all know what we're looking for here. Mr. October, Mr. Baseball, El Capitan, Derek Jeter. All right. 2010 Topps Chrome. We're going to be looking for Stanton, Strasburg, Josh Donaldson, Carlos Santana, Jason Hayward's in there. That's a fun product. 2015 Topps Update. Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Joey Gallo, Byron Buxton, Noah Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Gio Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham. There's a whole list in there. We got a 2017 Bowman. We'll be looking for Acuna, Senzel, Lourdes Gurriel. And first Chrome Auto opportunities of Acuna, Jimenez, Senzel, Gurriel, Kevin Maton, Tristan McKenzie, rookie autos of Gleyber Torres, Alex Bregman, Aaron Judge, Benintendi, Moncada. Holy cow, that's a loaded pack. 17 Topps Series 1 is Bregman, Judge, Benintendi, Moncada, Josh Bell, Dansby Swanson, Tyler Glasnow, and Yuli Gurriel, and David Dahl, and then short print variations of all those guys. Same thing with this one. Bellinger, Chapman, Luke Voigt, Judge, Bregman, Moncada, Benintendi, Louis Castillo, Paul DeJong, Josh Hader. Variations of all of those guys. 18 Heritage High Number is going to feature Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows. Action variations, autos of those guys. There's a lot in there as well. All right, 18 Topps Update. It's going to be Acuna, Juan Soto. That's the one we want. The Gleyber Torres, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Meadows, autos, relics, inserts, and variations. 19 Topps Chrome, the Big Four, Vladdy, Tatis, Alonso, and Eloy. We know that, of course. 19 Heritage Minor League, all of next year's guys that we're going to be chasing. Wander Franco, Louis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Jared Kalenic, short prints and variations and autos. All those guys coming out of there. And then last but not least, the Series 2 2019 with the short print, no number, Vlad Jr., Eloy, Tatis, and Alonso. True rookie cards coming out of there. All right, so we're going to do the little magic shuffle. We're going to put the cards in the order that we're going to be excited about opening them. Holy cow. Let's do 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 do. All right, I'm going to start with the 85 tops because I just really want to open this product. So hopefully we can not eat the gum, but find a Clemens. That would be phenomenal. Let's see what we got. Instant win pitch game. Holy cow, that could be in there. Father and son, Aussie Virgil and Aussie Virgil. There we go. That's an insert. That's kind of cool. Let's see. We got Len Sakata, Jim Fanning, Carmelo Martinez, Cecil Cooper, Denny Walling, Willie Wilson, Larry Herndon, Ray Knight. All right. Father and son of Tito and Terry Francona. That's a cool one. Being a Red Sox fan, that's pretty cool. We're going to put that one to the side. Kurt Kepshire, we're going to count that as what we call a hit. Ron Say, Jose De Leon, Gary Carter, Hall of Famer. Oh, man. I thought it was Roger. Rich Gale. Wah, wah. Oh, I thought it was. All right, 18, Heritage High number. See what we can pop out of here, and that's one that we'd be looking for. There's an Austin Meadows rookie card. Pretty cool. Tony Watson, Pedro Alvarez, Brandon McCarthy, Chelsea Cuthbert, Yario Munoz rookie card, Dan Otero, Brad Boxberger, and a Heritage rookie card of Scott Kingery, Deckle Edge. All right, Deckle Edge, Scott Kingery. All right, pretty cool. Looking for the Jeter. See what we got. Carlos Hernandez, Pat Henkin, Todd Steverson draft pick. First rounder. Never made it. Never to be heard from again. Brian Hunter, JT Snow rookie prospect card. Tim Costo rookie prospect card. Terry Pendleton league leaders insert. Pete Incaviglia, Greg Swindell, Butch Henry, Kim Batiste, Mariano Duncan, Kenny Rogers, Softy, John Olerud, Brian Harper, and Bill Spears. All right. 17 Series 1. I'll just enjoy opening this with the rookies. I'll be looking for the insert out of here as well, so I'm happy to open this pack. I don't know where it is. All right, Gene Segura, Wiley Peralta, Kevin Gossman. There's an Arenado League Leaders. There's a Eric Hosmer Now and Then card insert. Addison Russell, Yankees team card. Tanaka, Gregor Blanco, and a Mike Zunino. All right. Still hoping that I can get invited to make my debut with the Trash Pandas, because that would be pretty cool in this 2019 Topps Minor League. It was Lazaro Armenteros for the A's, Brendan McKay for the Rays and the Biscuits, Matt Mercer for the Rawhide, Cal Raleigh for the Nuts. There's a Matthew Liberatore fresh on the scene. Lion Richardson. If you ever have an auto of this kid, I have one from his under 15. Just says Lion Rich, and it looks like a 3-year-old wrote it. Austin Riley, so that's a nice one there. Austin Riley. And a Logan Gilbert. All right, nothing too crazy. Nothing to write home about in that one. 18 update is next. We'll be looking for Juan Soto right on front. Dang. All right. Mike Moustakas, Bellinger, and Eric Hosmer. Rookie of Jordan Hicks. Rookie of Tyler Wade. Jonathan Villar. Christian Arroyo. Ted Williams, Storybook Endings insert. Putting junk in my good pile. Thunder and Lightning Reds team card. Wander Suero rookie card for the Nationals. And a Max Stassi. All right. 19 Series 2. Starting off with a Aroldis Elias. Clint Frazier, Future Stars. Looks like we got a Stars and Stripes variation, so we're going to save that one for the end. Because it's a Tatis, so I don't want to ruin the surprise or anything. Freddie Freeman, 35th anniversary insert. Eduardo Escobar, Eric Thames, Jimmy Yacobonis, Adam Simber rookie, Bellinger, Adam Conley, Garrett Cole, Robbie Airline, Sean Armstrong, Chris Archer, and Tommy Hunter, Stars and Stripes variation. 42 out of 76. Tommy Hunter. That could go in that pile that we'll recap at the end. All right. 19 Topps Chrome. Still looking for something from the Big Four. I'm mixing up the order. Need to change the luck here. All right. Evan Longoria, Jorge Polanco, Matt Chapman, and a refractor of Charlie Blackmon. Chuck Nasty refractor. All right. 17 update. Judge Bellinger and all the guys. Doug Fister, Ben Taylor rookie, Eric Young Jr., Salvi Perez, Cody Bellinger rookie debut. There's a good one. Rookie debut of Belly. Sandy Koufax, he is untouchable. Eric Skoglund rookie card. Brett Anderson, Yu Darvish, and a Carlos Martinez. All right, so changing up the order. Changing up the luck a little bit with that Bellinger. So we're going 15 update. Somebody gold. Somebody better call my mama. And there's a rookie debut of Byron Buxton. Nice. Brad Boxberger with Chris Archer in the picture. There's a Danny Fields rookie card. Craig Breslow. Aaron Harang. Carlos Perez rookie card. AJ Pollock. Ben Zobrist. Woo! We got a black and a gold. So our gold is a Steven Matz rookie debut. Not too bad. Not too bad. And our black border is a Chris Sale All-Star Game card. So that one is going to be numbered 7 out of 64. Pretty cool. Riding in on the truck. And the mats, it's going to be numbered 1293 out of 2015. So a couple nice cards there. Gold rookie debut. Black refractor. Sweet. All right. That can only mean good things. Out of 17 Bowman. We're going to start with the Anderson Espinosa Chrome. Matt Manning. Jack Flaherty. Not bad. Paul Goldschmidt. Anthony Rizzo. Matt Strom rookie card. Raimel Tapia rookie card. Aaron Judge rookie card. Very nice. Very nice. We got a first Bowman Chrome of Jason Groom. First Bowman Chrome of Groom. And an Angel Perdomo first Bowman. All right. It's got to be something about the last couple packs. We switched up the luck. Switched up the order. What are we going to get out of here? Something with a little chromage. There he is, the man of the hour, the moth. Carlos Beltran. Fired. Brian Mattis, rookie card. Tyson Ross, rookie. And a refractor rookie auto of Alan Craig. There it is. Alan Craig, still getting paid by the Red Sox. It's going to be number 233 out of 499. So, we definitely switched up the luck and popped a few hits at the end. All right, so let's kind of recap our big hits. All right, we'll start with the cards that we considered big hits before we switched up the luck. Charlie Blackmon refractor. Tommy Hunter Stars and Stripes parallel numbered to 76. There's a Scott Kingery rookie decal edge out of the 18 Heritage. Was that it? 18 Heritage high number. And an Austin Meadows rookie card. And out of the 85 tops, got a father and son card of Tito and Tito Jr. Franconas. Right? Then we got the Alan Craig rookie refractor auto, numbered to 499. Jason Groom first Bowman Chrome. Aaron Judge rookie card. Chris Sale black refractor, numbered to 64. Steven Matz rookie debut gold parallel, numbered to 2015. Byron Buxton rookie debut. And a Cody Bellinger rookie debut. Wow, that was quite an end to that box. Filmington, thank you so much for always producing such a fantastic product. I can't wait for Volume 14. If you can't wait for Volume 14, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Find me on Facebook. And of course, you know what to do by now. Buy the t-shirt. We'll see you next time at Heads Up Sports Cards.